Friends, Namaste and welcome to Humble India channel. Today I am going to share about one important green leafy seasonal vegetable, and that is chickpea leaves or chickpea or Bengal gram sagu. As you know, chickpea is nutritionally very important and it contains enormous amount of protein, vitamins, minerals, even carbohydrate, etc. Just like that, this leafy vegetable is also having so much nutritional importance. Along with nutritional importance, it is having high fiber content, so helps in digestive. As you know, this particular vegetable we get from nipping process. The nipping process is nothing but removing the top portion or the top leaves of a particular chickpea plant. By doing that, we can enhancing the side branching and pod bearing ability will be increased. So here I am going to share about two important recipes. One is chickpea leaves pakodi and another one is suki sabji or dry bhaji. So let us begin how to prepare. First of all, I have collected these nipped plants from farmer's field. Some of my friends have given me. I am removing stalk from this because the stalk may choke into your throat. Adding salt, if some farmer has applied any pesticide, salt may act to remove this. Here I have ground black gram and rice one night before, and I am adding some cumin seeds and salt again. After washing the leaves twice, I am just draining all the water, excess water content, and adding it into the dough, and I am mixing it properly. Here after that I am adding some ginger paste, along with that coriander leaves, chopped coconut and green chilies, and I am leaving it in hot oil till brown. We should fry it both the sides and then we'll remove it. Let us move to the second recipe, that is sagu recipe. Here I have chopped onions, then ground coconut, green gram dal, along with that chili and this leafy vegetable. So I am just seasoning with green chili, cumin seeds, ginger, garlic. Ginger is optional, you can go with garlic, shallots or onion. Then when onion turns into brown color, we should add this dal and saute for 2 minutes. Then add some salt, green leafy vegetable. Along with that, we should add the ground coconut. If we are adding enough ground coconut, there is no need to add water. So that what will happen, from this ground coconut will get some oil content. So it will boil. Saute oftenly and leave it for 7 to 8 minutes in low flame. So friends, this is all about the two important subjis prepared by chickpea green leaves. If you liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.